Hey there, fellow YouTube enthusiasts! Get ready for a mind-blowing roller coaster ride as I unveil the most groundbreaking and eagerly awaited anti-aging breakthrough of the century. Brace yourselves for an adventure that will change the way you think about aging forever. Trust me, this is one video you won't want to miss. Did you know that the global anti-aging market is projected to reach a staggering $83.2 billion by 2027? That's right, folks. Billions of dollars are being poured into research and development, all in the pursuit of eternal youth. But here's the catch. What if I told you that the ultimate secret to staying ageless lies not in some unattainable fountain of youth, but within our own bodies? Prepare to have your mind blown as I reveal the mind-boggling science behind this anti-age miracle. It's all about harnessing the power of our very own cells, specifically, the remarkable potential hidden within our stem cells. These incredible little powerhouses have the ability to regenerate and repair damaged tissues, effectively turning back the clock on aging. And here's where it gets even more mind-blowing. Scientists have recently made a mind-boggling discovery, a way to activate and amplify the regenerative abilities of our stem cells. By leveraging the cutting-edge technique known as cellular reprogramming, they've found a way to transform ordinary adult cells into rejuvenated, age-reversing powerhouses. But how does it work, you ask? Well, my dear viewers, it all comes down to a fascinating process called epigenetic reprogramming. Through precise manipulation of our cellular DNA, scientists can activate dormant genes, effectively rewinding the biological clock and rejuvenating our bodies from within. The best part? This breakthrough isn't just a distant dream or a far-fetched concept. It's happening right now in state-of-the-art laboratories around the world. Clinical trials are already underway, with astonishing results pouring in. Participants are experiencing reduced wrinkles, improved organ function, and even reversed age-related diseases. But hold on tight, folks, because I've only scratched the surface of this awe-inspiring journey. In the next part of this video, I'll dive deeper into the mind-blowing implications of this anti-aging revolution. We'll explore the potential applications, the ethical concerns, and what this means for the future of humanity. So grab your favorite snacks, sit back, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Because in this video, we're going beyond aging. We're going ageless. Stay tuned for part 2, coming up right after this short break. You won't want to miss it. Welcome back, my fellow knowledge seekers. In our previous segment, we embarked on an awe-inspiring journey into the realm of anti-aging breakthroughs. We discovered the incredible power of stem cells and the mind-boggling potential of cellular reprogramming. Now get ready to be blown away as we delve even deeper into this fascinating topic. Picture this: a world where age-related diseases are a thing of the past, where our bodies remain youthful and vibrant for decades beyond what we ever thought possible. Well, my friends, that world might not be as far off as we once believed. With the advent of epigenetic reprogramming, we are witnessing a paradigm shift in our understanding of aging. You see, epigenetic reprogramming goes beyond the surface-level effects of conventional anti-aging treatments. It targets the very core of our biological makeup, rewiring our cells to behave as if they were young and vital once again. Think of it as hitting the reset button on aging itself. Clinical trials have shown remarkable results. Participants experiencing a reversal of age-related conditions like osteoporosis, heart disease, and even neurodegenerative disorders. Wrinkles are fading, energy levels are soaring, and the overall quality of life is being transformed. But my friends, we must tread cautiously. With such groundbreaking advancements come a host of ethical considerations. The manipulation of our genetic code raises profound questions about the line between enhancement and tampering with nature. As we journey further into this brave new world, we must carefully navigate the ethical complexities that lie ahead. And now, my dear viewers, here comes the exciting part. I can't reveal all the mind-blowing details just yet. The next video in this series will unveil the latest and most thrilling breakthroughs in anti-aging research. We'll explore the potential applications that could reshape our world, challenge our preconceptions, and revolutionize the way we think about aging. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to know when the next video drops. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to defying the limits of time and unravel the mysteries of eternal youth. Get ready, my friends, for the most captivating installment yet. Until then, stay curious, stay excited, and stay tuned for the next part of our ageless adventure.